How about it? How about this one? How about this one? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah,
I like it.
I like it.
How about it?
Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear's right on that sticker. Right. And then there's another picture. That's right. That's a picture of Pooh Bear. Exactly. Yes, that's a seat. It's a seat to go in the car, right? A picture of Pooh Bear and who else? Who's that? Tigger. Bouncy Tigger. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Who's this guy? Who's the little pink guy? This is Tigger. Who's that guy? Is that Piglet? Piglet. Piglet is silly. Who's this? A picture of butterfly. It is pretty. So pretty. Pretty. A picture of who? Who's that? Are you going to kiss it? A picture of Pooh Bear. How about it? How about it? I didn't realize I said that until she said it back to me. How about it? Yeah, the stroller. I think maybe this needs to go.
Yeah, that